If you are a 0 to 2 year developer, learning random technology, watching endless tutorial and still asking yourself, am I on right path? Then stop scrolling. This video can save 2 to 3 years of your career. Myself Amit Singh, I have 12 plus years of working experience as a full stack developer. I interviewed many candidates and I have seen one common problem again and again. Developers don't fail because they are bad. They fail because they follow wrong roadmap. Biggest mistake 0 to 2 year developer make. Learning too many language. Jumping from React, Angular, Next, AI, watching tutorial but building nothing. Preparing for interview without real project experience. And they say market is bad. No, your direction is bad. Phase 1, foundation. If your foundation is weak, no framework will save you. You must master HTML, not tag, structure, CSS, Flexbox, grid, responsive design, JavaScript, closures, async await, promise. One language deeply, C#, Java, Python. Framework come later, logic come first. Phase 2, front-end plus back-end. Front-end, pick one, Angular or React. Don't marry framework, but date one seriously. Learn component architecture, state management, API integration, error handling. Backend, REST API, authentication, JWT. Authorization, database basics, SQL plus one NoSQL. If you can build login, role-based access control, CRUD API, you are already ahead of 70% developer. Phase 3, database plus system thinking. This is where average developer quit and good developer grow. Learn database designing, indexing, transaction, basic system design, clean code and folder structure. Companies don't pay for code, they pay for thinking. Phase 4, real project plus deployment. This is not negotiable. You must build one real full stack project. Add authentication, role, dashboard, API security. Deploy it cloud or server. If your project is not deployed, it does not exist. Hard truth is, certificate won't get you hired. GitHub, live project, clear explanation is equal to get job. Even developer with 5 certificate get rejected and 1 get hired with a real project. This video is just the starting point. I have created a complete full stack developer roadmap playlist where we will build a real project, not just talk theory. Decide salary, direction decide career. See you in the next video. Thanks.